Hello everyone, welcome to CodeGate. So today we will discuss about the packages in Java. So I will tell you what is package in Java. So package is nothing but it is a collection of classes and interfaces. So package is a collection of classes and interfaces. Okay. So we do have two types of packages in Java. Two types of packages in Java: user defined and predefined, or you can call them built-in packages. Okay, user defined packages are the packages which user can define. User can create their own package, and user can use those packages into some other program. And another is predefined or built-in packages. For example, if user want to use a scanner class, why do we use scanner class? To read the input values from the input stream. We use scanner class. So this class we have to use. Now this is predefined class. So predefined class will be in some package. So this class is defined in which package? Java.util. So here java.util is name of the package. Okay. When you want to use this package, like suppose I want to use scanner class. So for that I have to use java.util package. So you have to import that java.util package into your code. So how will you do this? You will just write import keyword, then name of the package you will write, and dot. Then after dot, if you are writing star, star means all the classes, all the interfaces you can use and will be imported in your code. And what is the package name? Java.util. Means whatever classes and interfaces are defined in Java.util package are imported in your code. So you can use any class, any interface. But if I want to use only scanner class, so what will I write? Import java.util, name of the package, dot scanner. Now you can use only scanner class. Okay. When I am writing java.util dot star, that means I can use any class, any interfaces in the java.util package. But when I am writing java.util.scanner, that means only scanner class will be imported inside your code and you can only use this class. Now this point is clear to everyone that what is package? Package is collection of classes and interfaces.